Hello, somebody. Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm doing very well too. Thank you for asking. So, how was your day so far?
Day was goes as usual. Nothing much.
Okay, that's nice. And did you have the time to go through the document that we have for today?
Yeah, just before that session, I just checked the topic about the friendship like that.
Yes, friendship. Would you like to talk about that or would you like to talk about something else?
Yes, of course. We will start the topic.
Friendship?
Yes.
All right. I think this is our first session together, is it?
Yes. Yes. Right.
But I feel like I've seen you somewhere. Are you on YouTube or something by any chance?
Yes. Yeah. I
Yeah.
am uploading that video.
Yeah, that's how maybe. You seemed a little familiar. So, all right.
Is this okay?
Okay.
Is this okay for you? I can upload this video also.
I mean, you can ask the team whatever they deem fit. Yeah. I thought that because you seemed so familiar, I thought we had talked before. But now that I know that we haven't, I'll just introduce myself very briefly. I'm Shambhavi. I've been working here as a speaker for over a year now, and I was born and raised in Patna in Bihar. And would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes, of course. I am Sudhir Sukla. Uh, I have over a 9 year work experience in finance and accounts,
Okay,
and
that's
I'm staying in Ahmedabad. My hometown is Uttar Pradesh,
okay.
and
That's nice.
I
So
and
when did you?
sorry,
Sorry, sorry to interrupt. Please go on.
and I joined the Clapingo. Maybe hardly I have completed 50 season, 50 or 60 season,
Okay,
and
all
I
right.
joined the Clapingo because I have to improve some certain level of communication level because my grammatical mistake and sometimes fluency there was some issue because
Okay,
certain level of growth because right now I'm working as a finance associate, but what happened in the background sometimes after a future I need one any role like regarding with communicate with the client or so any higher role, so that's why I need to improve English, so that's why I joined this platform.
okay. That's good to know. And if you so you've taken about 50 sessions. That's what you said, right?
It's approx 50-60.
Okay. So do you see any changes, any improvements?
Yes, of course, I seen lots of the improvement regarding of my fluency or my fear. Sometimes fearness. Sometimes I get stuck, but still the improvement is needed because the sentences of the words. What happened? I in my past tenses there was some issue. So the rearrangement, na, the how to speak, the rearrangement also.
Yeah.
uh,
Sentence structure.
Yes, sentence structure. So there
Right.
was some lack.
Okay.
There is some lack,
Uh,
and grammar also.
okay. So do you mind if I give you some corrections here and there? Is
Yes,
that
of course.
okay?
Yes, of course, definitely.
So one thing that I've noticed from the beginning of the session is you use the a lot, even where it's not needed. So
Okay,
the clapping go, the improvement. Okay, we don't really. So what I would like you to do after this session is that just to learn a little bit more about articles, a and
okay,
the, and their usage.
okay,
Okay, and then try solving some practice exercises on the same.
okay.
Okay, yeah. Okay, all right. So let's move on with the topic, and I'll keep giving you corrections wherever I feel that you're going wrong. I hope that's all right.
Yes, of course.
Okay, all right. So, friendship. What does friendship mean to you? Like, yeah, what is friendship to you?
Friendship means I can say the people means the friends we can choose the with our emotions, our means our mutual understanding without any without any means. Uh, what I can say.
It's like a family that you choose for
Family.
yourself.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
And what happened? The actual friendship we become in the school time, or
Hmm.
maybe it could be college time. Then after you are working in your professional career, so maybe it could be possible hardly, because maximum time you are working with your colleague, not your friend.
Yeah. But sometimes colleagues can also become good friends, no? Don't you think?
Yes, of course, but I can say it is hardly rare
Yeah.
chances.
Okay. And also colleagues, not
Colleague,
colleagues, colleagues. Okay.
colleague. Okay,
Yeah. So,
because
yeah.
in
Yeah, yeah.
in
Go on.
every person have in every person in the life having at least two or three good friends, like one I can say one Krishna or one as a Karna, like that.
Yeah.
If you are wrong, so they can definitely means stand behind you. If you are right, definitely they behind you on the both the parameter they stand na. So you feel like very means good means
Yeah. Got your point. Got your point. One little correction. You said every person having. Okay. Every person having two types of friends. Um, it's not having. It's everyone has two kind of friends. Two kinds
okay,
of friends. Okay. Or
okay,
every person has, not have.
okay,
Right. So has and have again. Another thing that I would like you to read a little more about.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. So who is your oldest friend?
My three or four friends, oldest friend, who are three are my batchmate in my class in my school time. We study.
Wow. Are you still in touch with them?
Yes, of course.
That's so nice. So, but I'm sure you must all be living in different cities now.
Yes, of course. Because what happened? We are the government officer, and they have
Hmm.
some transfer here and there,
Hmm.
but they all are in touch.
So, do you meet sometimes? How often do you meet?
When they plan to any vacation leave or any festival leave, no? So we can plan accordingly.
Okay, that's really
Because
nice.
yes, because all the my friends they have belong with the my same hometown, so that's why we can meet.
Yeah. And all of you are from Uttar Pradesh.
No, no. Right now I'm living in Ahmedabad.
Yeah, but no, your friends and your hometown is UP, right? So,
Yes, hometown is UP. But what happened? I means study in the Gujarat, so I
okay.
met them in the here.
Also, not the Gujarat again.
Okay,
Gujarat.
so yes,
Before names of places, you don't use add the.
okay,
Okay. So, not the India or the Gujarat, the Ahmedabad. No, it's just India, Gujarat, Ahmedabad. Okay?
okay.
Yeah. So, what do you think makes a good friend? Like, what are some of the qualities of a good friend?
It's totally depends to person how the person they can means because it's all about the uh, thought process. Your thought, if we are best friends, so if we are our thought process is not matching, na, so we can't survive the means long time.
Hmm. So, you need to have similar sort of a thought process.
Not
Yeah.
100%, but at least 70-80% similar thought process. I agree with. So then we can run in the long run.
Hmm. And what are some of the other qualities that you would expect from a friend?
Uh, as I told, it is different to person. If I am bad guy, if you can assume I am
No,
bad
not
guy.
like for you. What matters to you? That's what I'm asking.
Okay, for me, for also, if I have which are the qualities I have, so definitely I can find in the my friend also if we have some here and there, so we can start means it's a good bonding, na? Because if we are not means for a little and small query we are going in the good manner.
Yeah, absolutely. So, like, yeah, what are the qualities? You haven't answered my question. What are some of the qualities that you would expect that a good friend should have?
Okay, the first quality is loyalty,
Loyalty. Yeah,
because
absolutely.
if you are my best friend and I'm blinding means trust with you, so I expect the one thing. This one is very means very high level of integrity.
Hmm. Absolutely. I completely agree with you.
And
Yeah.
second is sometimes what happens. Second, if you have or nothing, it is okay like that. If you are means when I in this mean I am my bad time, or if I need any help, so you can stand for me. So sometimes if it is yes, so then good. Otherwise, it is okay. Not to worry about that. What happened in the, I can say the story of the Krishna and Sudama.
Hmm.
So the Krishna is not accepting to the Sudama is always stand behind him, because the Guru, in, maybe you also heard about the one story that their Guru sent in the jungle to go and collect
Just
the
those.
uh,
Yeah, now I can see.
yes,
Also, just sorry to interrupt, another correction. You again said the Krishna.
yes, sorry.
So be a little mindful, okay? Names, names of places, names of people, any sort of a proper noun, most proper nouns. You don't use the, okay? There are exceptions, I'm sure, but mostly don't. So read about it a little more, but this is from what I know. Yeah,
Sure,
it's not.
definitely.
Yeah.
And their Guru sent him to uh, collect the stick to prepare the food. But what happened in the night, the rainfall or the means uh, rainfall and not rainfall, and
Yeah.
they don't have the food. But Sudama having the food like a chana. So what happened? But Krishna is not accepting. He can give us. So
Hmm.
few times what happened? One of quality we need to, I can say, sacrifice our, because what happened if we are expecting something, and we can't take the advantage, so it is gone in the demotivate factor,
Yeah.
creating the
Absolutely.
demotivate factor. So in the friendship, na, so don't take and give, right? Means I can say,
Hmm.
if you are doing anything, na, you just forget it, because you are doing for your best friend. So if
Yeah.
this type of attitude you have, so definitely your friendship will go in the long run.
Hmm. Yeah. Absolutely. And
But
I mean, yeah, I think that's true in all cases, in all relationships. You should just help and move on from that.
yes, right.
Yeah. So, where do you like, what are some of the good, ways or places that you can make friends at?
Good
School,
places.
college, that you mentioned. Any other places, or which is the best way to meet new friends? Social media, or like, what do you think? How can you make new friends?
Yes, of course, as you said, social media also. We can make a good friend also.
Yeah. Do you have
Facebook.
any social media friends?
No, but I have friends have, but if you are, if we, but we can choose in the best friend list. We have
Yeah.
the lots of the friend in the
Yeah.
my Facebook account or in my another account, but I can't means say it is my best friend and I can
Mhm.
trust blindly.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course not. Because you cannot trust someone that you haven't met, right?
Yes,
And
right,
most people on social media that are in our like friend list or followers or whatever, we haven't met all of them.
right.
But sometimes, so what do you think about this? Can you become good friends with people that you haven't met?
Yes, of course. What happened because in human body na, there was emotions.
Hmm.
The emotion is
There
playing.
is emotion.
Yeah, there
There
is
are.
emotion. There are emotions, and the emotion. Sorry for using the emotions are using the great role in the human
Yeah.
life. If you are
Absolutely.
feeling, if you are feeling something good in the another person, if you are means liking anything about in your personal life, and another person having the same quality, so you can attract to the another person, and you can